again.
Hi guys, welcome back. Now we are going to Udupi.
Udupi to eat burger. She only told.
I'm craving the burger, guys, in KFC, and
Are you cooking KFC?
I'm craving since how many days?
We didn't eat only KFC one day.
What, one day? Almost how many months now? I'm craving burger. So we are
You're
going.
eating burger first time. Yeah, first
No.
time you're eating.
So we're going to Udupi to eat burger in KFC
And pizza.
Oh, you want pizza?
Yeah, I want everything in night only.
Say hi to Dada. Hi, Dada. Hello. Dada is tired
That time I say the wrong side. No?
because
Mama, that time I say the
Dada
wrong
pain today.
side. Welcome back to our next channel.
Dada pain today. That's why tired. See you guys in Udupi.
Yes, if we are eating burger, see us eating, then you will eat.
You teasing them. Today is Sunday, Saturday. Market day here in Katpadi. Yes, a market day, guys. Katpadi. See, look. Wow, papaya, my favorite. Look at that.
That time she always want to buy. I'm so dizzy about that.
Katpadi now. What is that yellow?
What?
It's sweet melon. What is that ulit?
Udupi. UDUPI. UDUPI.
Udupi. Ulit. Wow. Mandabi. Yan ang order mo guys, rice ball. Burger for you, right?
I know how to taste.
Taste, how is it? You don't want burger?
I want to taste.
I think we've been done.
Huh? Let me get. What's it?
Bite it. Hey, your burger there. Guys, it.
Easy for me to feed you. Wait.
Burger. Hot. Rice ball. Not rice. Noodles.
After we buy burger, come on, you buy burger. You don't know why.
Because they see, no? They see the burger, what's hungry. Chinese food. Yummy. It's yummy, Dada. I want this one, no? Noodles, no? That Chinese, ano? This is the Chinese wok. Chinese wok. The name of the restaurant, Chinese wok. I will eat. Wow.
How? How is it done?
Oh, cheesy.
How you did without cutting it?
They cut already, no? Yummy. Wow. Cheesy. Cheesy. Bite, 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 bite. You blow.
I do.
You will eat it home? Oh my god. Oh, this much big. Oh my god. Oh. Yummy. Hey, look at this.
You know what?
Nasa food court kami.
You know what this?
One bite.
Right?
This is a tandoori. Oh, spicy. Not spicy. Not bite.
What?
Sorry. Ah, okay.
That is like a monster.
Ayan guys, tapos na kaming kumain ng pizza at burger. So, papunta kami dun sa Market 99. Dito sa Times Square. Ayan, ay Market 99. Fun unlimited. Yung parang Fun City. What is that?
It's not a real lollipop. It is just
No,
just
there
from
is
a toys.
no inside toys.
Yeah.
It's lollipop. But not lollipop inside. No, Lin. It's 99 rupees. What you got? Hey, what you got? Hello, Panda. Red.
I thought 99. 999.
The name of that is Market 99. But not this all things is 99. No, Orlen, it's No. It's gonna fall. Garden gloves yun. It's rubber. How much? You want? Yeah. That is what? No, this is not for garden. That is not for garden. Nice. For garden. That one also. Garden gloves. The other one.
This one is real.
Better this one.
This one is nice.
But this one is this one.
This is cloth,
Cloth. And this one is it's not cloth.
but it's okay.
This one is okay.
Take two. Size okay?
Ay, bata. For me, I think it's fit. One is enough. It's okay, one. We'll try. Then after, we will buy another one. Yes? We try first. Ay, bata. Now, 2 times it's falling. For washing also, this one. Washing tubs. Nice. Wala. Put back that one. Put back. Wala. Why you dance? Ouch. Anyways, guys, we are finished now. And now we're going down. We go. Yeah, you use this one. We go down. Orlen! Hold Orlen. No, here.
I'm scared.
Dada will hold you. Very good. Slowly. Orlen! There's a Matt's lifestyle. Hey, slowly. Oh my god, guys, night already. Hi guys, we are going home now. Finished.
I know it's night time already.
Yes, it's night already. It's already 6:30.
But we had dinner already.
Yeah. Digital. Finish Urupi. Going home now.
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you eating?
Panda.
What about you?
Panda.
What about
Give me. Can you give me one?
I will welcome you one.
One. Give to Tata also one.
Ew! Here in my hand.
Careful how all everything is falling out.
Mm. Night.
Where are you?
This is bus station.
Yeah.
Bus stand, no?
City bus stand.
City bus stand. We're blocking his way. Yeah, cut padi. It's already night. Fish market. It's a fish market. It's a market. Fish market. Rickshaw. It's Saturday.
Iya. Masih macam mari.
Nice. He's coming. Tony is coming. See. I told you. Hey, Tamo! Tamo, yeah.
Tamo, say bye to vlog, ha? Say bye bye.
Bye!
Bye vlog. Udah mana kau jadi siapa dah tak?